Hello everyone, welcome to EduTech Corner. So I'm back with one more software, that is TeamViewer, and it's a latest version 15.37. Now if you people don't know what is TeamViewer, it is mainly a remote monitoring software. So like you can give access to any of your friends by giving your username and password, and they can take care of any software installation or any technical support. So in today's video I will show you how you can install this TeamViewer software, and also I am going to provide you this software in our Telegram channel, and the Telegram channel link will be given in the description, so that you can download this software and install in your PC. So before continuing our video, I request you people to please subscribe to our channel if you are new to this channel, so that you will get all new softwares with the activation, crack or license keys, and also along with the installation steps. So let us continue. I have already downloaded TeamViewer software, latest TeamViewer software. Now to install this, double click on this TeamViewer setup. Okay, so here click default installation. So then accept and next, click yes. So within a few minutes it will install. So now our TeamViewer is successfully installed. I accept and continue. So now here you can see my TeamViewer is successfully installed. So you can give your user ID and password. You can give user ID and a password so that your friend can control your PC. So if you like this video, please press like and subscribe button. Also share this video with your friend, whoever is needed. Thank you.